Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of OpenCV by InsideML. In this video, we are going to change the color of our image. We are going to use a function provided by OpenCV which will allow us to change the color of our image into green, red, blue and lot of colors options are there. So before starting this video, if you haven't gone with the playlist of OpenCV, then do go with that to get a whole overview. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel of Inside AML, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a single update on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Because Inside AML is a dedicated platform for artificial intelligence. I'm a Mani India instructor at Inside AML. Let's get started. As usual, navigate through your Anaconda, go to Jupyter Notebook OpenCV, and it will take you to the Chrome browser where we would be dealing with the things. So we have made our folder on desktop. So go to desktop, OpenCV, and go to new and create your Python 3 environment. I had already created that changing color of image, so I would be using that. Click on that and it will open in front of you. So now we have deal with image reading, showing, image writing, and now it's time to deal with color changing of our image. So what is the function? cvt.color, cv2.cvtcolor function is a function that we're gonna use, and the parameter it takes, the parameters are source and destination and the code of that, like what you're gonna put in that. So these are some parameters that taken by changing color of image function. Let's understand that by directly jumping into the code, because it's more better to directly implement the things and learn from there rather than going with theory. So let's write the code. So first we will import the CV2 using import CV2, that OpenCV, and after that we want that image as an input. So we're gonna use cv.amread function to take the image as an input, and in that we will pass our parameters. First parameters would be the name of that file that we want. So it's monalisa.png, and what color we want. So take it as an original color. We want it to be original color, that one. And now it's time to use that cvt.color function. It's actually cv2.cvtcolor function. cvt color, C is capital, keep in mind, color. And in that we are going to pass that parameters. First parameter is source. So from which source we are taking? We are taking from img. Now what is the destination? What is dst? So let's take dst to be null. This is optional, okay? And let's put the code directly. So for changing an image into green color, the code is cv2.color bgrhsv. So it changes the color into green. We would be watching that by just using amso function. So there is no issue. We will put img, okay, green image. Take it to be like in a green img equal to cv2.cvt color function. Now what we're gonna use? We're gonna use amso function of cv2 amshow function, and we will try to see that image. So first we will pass our image, that green img, and no, over here, yeah, okay, so it's okay. And now we will pass our green img, that is actually tab name, so it would be okay, no issue. So let's make it to be capital, and let's put some this over here, and green img, okay. And we will put our wait key also. So let's put this key equal to, this is making a trigger, so we will use key equal to cv2 dot wait, k would be capital, always keep in mind, and 0, okay. So this what cv2 dot wait key will do, it will break that particular frame, that particular tab for a moment. It will not just exit in a single second, like in a single moment. It will wait it for a moment until we not close that. So this is the use of cv2 dot wait key. Now if key equal to 81, then we will break it. So we are making a trigger, we will exit it. So we are making a trigger, like if someone type 81, like 81 is the ASCII value of Q. So you can watch the earlier videos to get to know about what is ASCII value. So if key equal to 82, then we exit the program, okay. So let's run this and see the image we have captured, and we want to see that image into green color. So just see over here, there is a new tab, and now you can see the color of our image. The whole pixel is changed to green. The whole pixels is changed to green. So this is how you can change a color to green. So why we are learning this, why we are like putting these whole values. So at the last we would be dealing with the things and we would be doing some basic operation. At that moment we will try to understand that how you can make your own filter. You can how make your own portrait thing or like on a frame or something. So this is why we are learning that how we're going to use multiple colors to attach that and try to work with that. So this is the reason we are going with CVT color function. So there's a multiple code for that. If you want to change into red, there's a other code, I guess. So there's a other code. You can directly go to the documentation and you can go with that. This is for green, and for grades like BGR2 GRAY, and it will change into gray. So these are some other function. Okay, so you can go with that. You can run this and let's see. Okay, see over here, now it's gray. So bgr2.gray function is for changing the color into gray. You can directly put that from here. So now we are not directly taking into gray color, we are trying to change into gray color using bgr2gray function of cv2. So this is how you can work with the things. And yeah, this is all about this CVT color function. See you in the next video where we would be doing basic operation on images like accessing a pixel value, working on a particular region of a image, cutting down the image, cropping the image, merging the image, understanding the channels. So see you in the next video, and if you have any doubts, please put down the doubt into comment box. We will love to solve your queries. See you in the next video. Up to then,